all are healthy and safe in this difficult time. Today we are going to have our assembly, class 5A, B, C. Topic is International Democracy Day and theme School, a versatile platform. The children of today are growing up because they are adult citizens of tomorrow. The growth is parallel future of country reflected through various quality of the present education system. A school stimulate curiosity in the young wings and equip them with tools to be better human beings. A school is the foremost fountain of knowledge children are exposed to. It gives them chance to acquire knowledge in various fields of education such as people, literature, history, mathematics, politics and other numerous subjects. This contributes to the cultivation of the thought process. School is the first avenue of socializing for a child. With schools, children are exposed not only to new ideas but also to same age compatriots. This instills sociable practices such as empathy, friendship, participation, assistance, which turn out to be their importance in their adulthood. So, school plays an important role in molding a young one's future by facilitating all-round development of his future citizens. Thank you. Next, we proceed our assembly.
Good morning to all. Today's thought of the day. The spirit of democracy is not a mechanical thing to be adjusted by evolution of forms. It requires change of heart. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very warm good morning to you all. Today I will tell you about democracy. Democracy is the finest form of the government because in democracy, the people of the country choose their government in their ways too. There are various democratic countries in the world, but India is the largest one. In short, we can say that India is the largest democratic country. It means that government is of the people, by the people, for the people. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Democracy by Langston Hughes. Democracy will not come today, this year, nor ever through compromise and fear. I have as much right as other fellow has to stand on my 2 feet and own a land. I tire so of hearing people say let things take their course. Tomorrow is another day. I don't need my freedom when I'm dead. I cannot live on tomorrow's bread. Freedom is a seed planted with a great need. I live here too. I need freedom just as you. Thank you.
I am here to tell you about mock parliament. The objective of mock parliament is to familiarize students with functioning of parliament. It also helps the student to know whole process and proceeding of the parliament. Most of the countries in the world are following democratic process. Being the citizen of one of the largest democracy in the world, we should know its working. So let's start.
Be seated. Today dated 18 September 2020 is the last session of Parliament of the first of the academic year 2020 to 2021 of Krishna Public School, Nehru Nagar, Bhilai. Today an important bill is to be introduced, annexing the campus bill. Firstly, to address the Sabha, I would like to call the Honorable Prime Minister.
Honorable Speaker, opposite leaders and all members of the Sabha, we are glad to hear before you in the special assembly season, as this is last season under our government. In this academic year, I feel very proud the address. This Sabha on this occasion as well could make all the programs, activities and assemblies of this term a great success under this government. I like to thank all the opposite members for support. And this terms we are going to lose our power, but definitely we will bring some remarkable changes in the education system of our school. Once again, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all of you.
Now, I will request it to call our HRD Minister to introduce the first bill, that Enhancing the Campus Bill.
Honorable Speaker and all the respected members of the Parliament, I, Zainab Siddiqui, the HRD Minister, is going to present today's bill in the Parliament. It is going to be a landmark bill in the history of KPS. The title of the bill is Anglicizing the Campus Bill, according to which English speaking in the school campus is to be made compulsory. There are many advantages of passing this bill. It will increase the fluency of English speaking among students. Such children will get a chance to improve themselves and gain confidence with English speaking. English is an international language. Students who will go abroad for higher studies will be benefited. If children start speaking English from an early age, it will benefit them a lot in the future. Students who will disobey this law will be punished. Marks will be deducted from their profile, parents will be called, they will be fined. This is all this bill suggests. I hope the opposition will not have any objection and will support the bill with full majority. Thank you.
Now, I call on the member of ruling party to answer this opposition.
Honorable speakers, I am Anshuman Paul, the leader of opposition, and want to say that we object this bill. When we were ruling party, we have already implemented the bill, but there was no change in the students. They were all speaking other language. It did not work on them. It will be a mental torture for weak students, and it will be a stress for them. English is a foreign language, so we should not give priority to it. Students are forgetting their mother tongue. Instead, we should prefer mother tongue. If weak students are not able to speak English, they will teach by other students. So, we strongly oppose this bill, and ruling party should not pass it. Hope you all understand my points.
Now, I call on the member of ruling party to answer this opposition.
Honorable Speaker, I am Ranveer Singh from ruling party, and I would like to tell you that my opponent is wrong. English speaking is the need of time. If our students learn English, then our school will earn good name in the society. All good jobs need English communication. English speaking gives power. So, according to me, this bill should be implemented as early as possible. Thank you.
The Parliament is adjourned. Any member who wants to speak on this bill? Now voting will be done. Those who support the bill, raise your hand. Put your hands down. Now those who are against it, raise your hand. Now put your hands down. I think it's done now. Number of votes for me bill is majority, the bill will be implemented in the second term of session 2020 to 2021. Thank you very much.
Good morning all of you. Today I am going to tell about school, the versatile platform for students. Strength of any building is determined by its foundation. Students of today are the future of tomorrow. Schools play an important role in a child life by line of strong foundation by not only imparting education but also ensuring overall development by means of extracurricular activities and sports. Thank you.